Dear friends, yesterday in my video I said about humans' memory. Now, today I was going to say about one of the factors to how to develop humans' memory. That is need for keen observation. You apparently see them, but there is a difference between seeing and observing. For example, one passes through tough traffic lights and yet does not know which is the color on the top of it and which is on the bottom. Similarly, one looks at his watch many times yet cannot tell the correct time. If somebody happens to ask for it, you have to have a second look. You see but do not observe again and again. One cannot remember anything which he has not observed. And once something is observed by sight or hearing, it must be associated in our mind with or to. Something we already know or remember, the eyes must see in order for the mind to interact. The following is an example of conscious association. There is the word believe. Often men stumble in spelling it. They are not very sure whether I comes before E or vice versa. The best thing to remember is learn a sentence never believe, a possibly and lie. The word lie can be easily spelled and one will possibly never make a mistake in writing believe. If one can remember the spelling of lie, they will be already writing the belief very neatly. Mind maps. It is quite possible that one would feel uneasy in early stages in creating mind maps. But if he or she continues to do so, the discomfort will soon be gone. Benefits of mind maps. If you want to remember something, you will remember it without applying too much stress of it. It is associated with an item which is already in your memory. It is something important for you. It is of interest to you. It involves both left and right side of brain. It is associated with any one of the 5 reasons both sides of brain used. Medical science says that the left side of brain deals with logic, language, numbers and sequence, while the right side of connected is with visualization, color, imagination, color and awareness. But both the brains can undertake all activities. Advantages of mind maps. Its subject is deep in at heart. Themes of the subject radiate from the depth of heart and thick branches. Its small branches carry words. It goes straight into the mind. In order to develop a mind map, you need colored pencils, pens, paint and a drawing book. Music is the best aid to improve memory while you are on the job. Tapes and tape recorders are also the tools which help one to create mind maps. One can listen to them in bed or any other place while relaxing. Plan your day. We should be pre-planned for one day to the works. So, we can do works easier and faster and time saving. And also, our works are so fast and it improves memory very much. It improves memory very much. You should plan your day with pakka planning. Most of the factors to develop our memory is to observation, keen observation. For example, while going to the strange places, we should be observe the routes of the place and we should be come back without any other help. And some days before to the one exam, we should be observe very keen to that subject, related subject, and we should be get good marks in that. For anything also, observation is very important. And for developing memory, observation is one of the most factor and must factor. So, one of the factor of improving memory is need for keen observation, and like this contents I have so much. I will say every content in day by day. Thank you.